My family. Hello, my name is Anna. I am 10 years old. I live in a small house with my family. My family is small. There are 4 people in my family: my father, my mother, my brother, and me. My father's name is John. He is a teacher. He teaches math at the local school. My mother's name is Mary. She is a nurse. She works at the hospital. I have one brother. His name is Tom. He is younger than me. Tom is 7 years old. He likes to play with his toys and watch cartoons. We have a pet cat. Our cat's name is Max. Max is very friendly and playful. He likes to run in the garden and play fetch with us. Every evening, we have dinner together. After dinner, we sit in the living room and talk. Sometimes, we watch TV or play board games. On weekends, we go to the park or visit our grandparents. I love my family very much. They make me happy, and we always have fun together.